No, I'm not shutting up. Oh, I'm summoning.
Diggle,
Oh, no, I missed it, I missed it, I missed it.
Ding.
No, I forgot.
I have no idea how to play this.
Give me a blue revenant, Dad.
I'll take this.
Oh my god, I'm in second place. Holy yachts. Yachts to go. Oh, why am I losing?
Bye bye.
I missed. You missed.
Oh no! Run. No, I didn't like
Damn, I'll take second.
What did I get? I got
I heard a very low, angry growl from someone.
Vaughn. You lost by far. Okay, Vaughn.
Because I don't know how to
Okay,
play this
Vaughn,
game,
Vaughn,
monkey.
listen. I'm gonna show you how to get a head start. I'm gonna show you how to get a head start. Top
I don't know how
trigger
to play this game,
plus
monkey.
the bottom button, and press them both. Top trigger at the bottom button. Press them both at the same time on the number of 2 and hold them until the timer's up when the countdown. Okay. Top
I'm
trigger.
so fucking
and bottom
confused
button.
right now. I'm so
Okay, just
fucking
hold all your
confused.
buttons on your right hand. Hold all your buttons, and then
It gives me
3,
like a 5-second
2. All right,
tutorial.
now hold it, and then you're gonna go up, and then you're whee, like that.
I don't know.
That actually slows you down.
Nuh-uh.
That's not how you go fast.
Bro, what?
On my screen, it hit the water and then exploded. There is some serious desync going on. I'm shooting rockets and hitting people.
You are a fucking pussy! Same.
Not work.
Birdie, no! Son of a bitch.
You're asshole, bro. Come on.
Damn, really? That whole time first.
Never mind.
Uh,
Hey, Vaughn, I'm gonna win. Did Vaughn leave?
You cry. Have you
I am
ever
playing this. This is too.
needed something
Why am I sideways? How the fuck's sake? I didn't beat Ryko. Shit.
And at least I got the.
It's hard to
I
find out.
Alright, I might as well.
Oh my god.
You're a fucking whore, whoever did that. You're a whore. I hope you prove so. Revenge. I got you again! Oh, I got into that one. No, 5. You guys are caught.
He's on.
You were so close to third.
Where's
Only have Glavenus, like tail.
Ryko? Come on.
Yeah.
Alright.